Hey guys, we're back for some Minecraft. It's been a long time since I've done any of them, so we're back. Yeah. Yep, I have some arrows in my face. I just went through a war. Survival mode, finally. It's been a long time since I've done a video of Minecraft, so yeah. I'm gonna make it unpeaceful, easy. Should I do it hard? Hard is too difficult. Easy. Good enough. Okay. So now, slash time. One 4 0 0 0. It's night time. It is night time. Let's show him who's boss. Like extreme archery skills. Hit that Enderman. God dang it, I hit it. Got another. Miss. Miss. God dang it, just like that. Good. I could at least try to hit that spike. Attack. Base. Hiya. Die. Oh. Die. No, don't kill me. I'm running away one now. Oh, she got the gut. No. Owie. You hurt me. Guys can see it. There's some zombies. A Squidward! A Squidward! Squidward! Ow! How did they set me on fire? Did they have fire punch? Something? I'm gonna mess with an Enderman. I know they say do not, but I want to mess with an Enderman. Ooh, some rotten flesh. Yummy. Yum. Yummy. I'm so dumb. I wanted some hunger. I don't die, because the only food I have is rotten flesh. Where's that Enderman? Owie. Now kill this creeper man. Die. Boom goes creepy. Ah. Die. With the power of my diamond sword, you will die. Rotten flesh, yummy. I'm eating you. Now die. And stop shooting me, that's annoying. Good enough. I have arrows. Barely anywhere. The zombies coming at me. Don't touch me, you fat weirdo. Slime midget. Die, slime me. What did they got their balls? Their slime balls? They're made of slime. Kill this spider right now. Ooh, some rotten flesh. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Kill the spider right now. I'll just hit it with my bow. If I have at least good archery skills. Oh yeah. Die. Yum, 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 yum. I'm so bad. Yum, 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 yum. Rotted flesh. Flesh. I'm eating zombie flesh. Zombie flesh. Zombie flesh. Zombie flesh. God dang it. Any slimes were strong. Aren't they supposed to stop? Let's see what I have. Turn up the volume. Yeah. My armor's a little broken. A good thing I have no. Can I craft something? Or slash. Dun 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 dun. Game mode 1. My game mode hasn't changed. Finally. Let's get peaceful. So yeah. In this episode, that was just a warm up. In this episode, we're going to you don't know what you're in for. How to make a Killing Jeffrey place. You spawn a Jeffrey first. Or you might have to do this in... Yeah. So, get some lava. Get... Hey, brisket. Nah, creeper killer. Yeah, creeper killer. Brisket, creep spawny, and get some lava. And then do a hole like this, like star, and an X, or whatever you like to call it. So you first spawn thousands of creepers. Oh yeah, it's peaceful, easy. Grab some lava, and I put there, one there, and one there. You put thousands of them. You would just use any block. Care what block it is. Any block. And then do that. Just take a creeper. Or you could do this. Kill some creepers now. Come here, boy. Who's what I know? Good creeper. Now die for mommy. Die for mommy. You're a bad boy. You didn't die for mommy. How dare you don't die for mommy. Well, I should say daddy, but... I'm gonna kill myself. Creepers, let's die together. Hey, die for mommy. Hey, gunpowder. Goodbye. I must say this. Now kill some witches. No, Jeffries. Die. Trying to find a way to do something. What about sneak? I suck at sneaking. Like this. And then you could spawn anything there and push it in the... Like a creeper. Would be a worst idea for me. That would happen if we use a creeper. Oh, that was no idea. Let's die together, creepers. Creepers. Die. Die. Let's die together. We will die together. We will. God, I'm dying. No. That was the end of this video. So. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me.